Have you ever tried to get a nice sharp line in your painting, only to peel off the tape and find that the paint has bled through? It's so frustrating, especially when you're going for that clean, professional edge. In this video, I'll show you a super easy trick to stop that from happening. This works with both painter's tape and masking tape, but I'd recommend you use painter's tape if you can, as it's designed specifically for clean lines and works great on canvas, paper, walls, and more. Start by placing your tape firmly where you want your edge to be. Make sure to press down along the edge really well. You want to seal any tiny gaps where the paint might sneak through. To show you how well this works, on the left side I'll paint without the trick, and on the right side I'll show you the proper way to seal the tape before painting. Here's the trick. Before adding your main paint colour, paint a layer of your background colour over the edge of the tape first. This fills in any gaps so that your actual paint won't bleed through underneath. Since I'm working on a white canvas, I'll be using white paint here. Leave that layer to dry completely, or you can speed up the drying process with a hairdryer. Now you can go ahead and paint over the tape just how you normally would. I'm using the same paint and the same brush, but only one side is sealed with the background colour. Once you have finished painting, carefully peel off the tape. You can do this while your top layer is still wet. On the left side, you can see that the paint has leaked through underneath, but on the right side, a perfectly sharp, clean edge, no bleeding, no mess. So next time you want a crisp line in your painting, try this simple tape trick. It only takes a minute and it makes a huge difference. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out my other art hacks and painting tutorials. And if you want full-length real-time lessons, you can find those over on my Patreon. Thanks for watching!